clarification lang for other people na drivers na hindi pa alam yung the way it will sa lahat ng manghuhuli ng violators sa daan, na baka mayroon pang mga drivers na hindi alam na bawal na mag-confiscate ng license as of now. That is the command of the Land Transportation Office, na hindi muna mag-confiscate. You can issue violation committed by the drivers, but you cannot confiscate their license. Para na lang citation ba dito sa Cebu City. But may positive side sa mga drivers na mahuli na naka-violation sa daan, na hindi na nila kailangan maghabol ng 72 hours to get their license at the LTO office pag nahuli. But yun ang positive. But ang negative side niyan, pag nakalimutan mong magbayad within 15 working days, dyan mag-implement ng suspension. To remind, dati Saturday, Sunday, wala yun, mga holidays, yun, including yun sa sa 72 hours na kuha ng lisensya mo pag nahuli ka. But now, it's not that, it is 15 working days. So Saturday, Sunday, and holidays are excluded na sa time limit to have your license back pay. Kaya ingat-ingat din kayo dyan. Hindi nga ma-confiscate, but after 15 days, yun na, epekto na yun yung mga penalties na ipapataw sa lisensya nyo pag hindi nyo yan nakuha. Even it is positive on the side of the drivers na makapagmaneho pa rin sila, makapamasahero pa rin for the given time. Pero pag after 15 days, pag ayaw nyong mabayaran, yun lang. Diyan lang yung negative side, kasi masuspend kayo. Yung mag-appear yan sa portal nyo, yung mga ipapataw na penalties coming from LTO. Kaya still, ingat pa rin sa daan para hindi mahuli. And to those police officers or any other agencies who has their temporary operator's permit, don't forget, wala nang confiscation of license. Mag-issue ka na lang, bigay mo yung lisensya, then yaan mo na yung mga drivers. Basta within 15 days for the drivers, you have to pay the violations you committed at the Land Transportation Office, or else you'll be facing suspension. Yung taga LTO na yung bahala yung para sa samarin nila kung paano ba yun, yung mga violation na na-commit mo. Okay.